Hi guys, today I'm gonna be showing you the difference of LBSG server.net, the best server in LBSG.net. It's a survival games, but of course, before we start that, my name is Christian Plays 30, and look at this, my new skins, this one out. And let's go into it, and let's go, friend. And of course the play, let's just do it and play. The server address are stay.lbsg.net and port 191. That's the same, of course, and just save that and let's play. Now I'm gonna be teaching you, I'm gonna be showing you the only one server, only one play. And of course I am logged in because my name is Christian Plays 30, and I have a kit, and I have save a kit classic SG VIP plus. And of course, if you don't know, in here VIP plus can go fly in here. And of course, this is capture the flag. We have captured the flag here, and of course this one survival mode. We have 1, 2, and hot rock and bed wars. And of course that's bed wars and bounty hunter, prison, sky wars, and ultra hardcore. And of course let's go. Oh, there's the VIP plus. There, he's flying now because he's VIP. And let's go. I think let's go play here in the Hunger Games. Of course we're here, and of course guys, I will said I am recording. Oh no, sorry for that guys. Recording. Yeah guys, I'm recording in this map and this guys, and hi guys, I'm gonna be team up with this Surfy Apple. What is the 13 reasons why you take care of them? Surfy Apple, I think if you sneak and go, sneak, go, and that is gonna be so awesome. If you sneak and stun snakes, then it means you're gonna be teaming him. And I said K. That means K. Okay, for team now. Of course, I don't wanna team in here because he's not facing me. Of course, the VIP here. And where is my... Oh, there you are. Dude. Okay. And you have some in here. And of course, no way. no. They are two goats. No way. I think I'll just invent this. Oh, darkness. And the part one. And oh no, I died. And that's only for it, guys. And of course, I died. And yeah, I died. And just say goodbye to our channel. And of course, stay peace, guys. Guys, no, 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 no. I'm here, dude. I'm here, dude. Dude, I'm here. Hey, why can't you go here? No way. My channel is called, of course, you know it, guys. Please, and please. Minecraft EE. Please, can, please. Oh, what can I tell him? Please, and EE. And these guys are hot rock, and I'm gonna make vids here or video here to do it in survival mode, hard rock, and of course bedwars. Bedwars, no bedwars. Bedwars, and this is Bounty Hunter and Prison, Skywars, and Ultra Hardcore. And of course, guys, and bye guys, stay peace, and that was so awesome. And of course, smash that like button, and of course, subscribe to my channel. Don't go forget that. Bye guys.